Welcome to another edition of Tesla Tips and Trips. On today's video, we are going to show you this, a real carbon fiber dash cover for your Tesla Model Y or Model 3. And we're going to pop it on this car, see how it looks. It's from hillsmade.com, so stick around and I'll show it all to you. All right, so this is the initial reaction and unboxing of a real carbon fiber dashboard cover for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. You can see it right here. It's from a company called The Hills, and the website is hillsmade.com. You can see it right there. Hopefully it's picking up on video there. But it says real carbon fiber dash cover for like I said, Tesla Model Y and 3. This is the website. They say it's made with 100% real dry carbon, compatible with Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, scratch and liquid resistant, works with keycard. Not sure what that language means. Maybe this is left over from like the center console carbon fiber overlay, because there's no keycard associated with this. So anyway, really nice looking products as far as I can tell on the website, and we're going to review this, check it out, unbox it, first reactions. Let's get it going. First up, I have no idea how to open this thing. This looks difficult. So maybe there's a tab here. Looks like that. Maybe let me cut this. See, I'm scared to cut stuff too because of the carbon fiber. Oh, there we go. That undid something. Maybe over here. It is kind of coming loose, but at first glance you look at this box and it's kind of overwhelming. This side doesn't look openable. Let's try this side. I'm over on the left side of your screen here. I don't know if it's on camera or not. Yeah, I guess it is. So first reaction is kind of hard to open. So I can see it flopping around inside there. So let me see if I can pull a tab. Yeah, this looks like the way to do it. So I guess you just pull until you break enough of the cardboard. There we go. Good. All right, so that side's done. Let's rip this side. I guess we don't need the cutters there. Let's pull this side. I always like doing the unboxing with you, so you have the full experience of what it's like as well. Sorry to bump you there. Oh, there it is. Let me flip this around. So that wasn't as hard. These little tabs, if you see these tabs here, you'll see them and they just easily break off. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. So there you go. Thank you for your order. $20 on us, offer discount as a fellow Tesla owner. That's kind of cool. A couple of cards inside there. Nice. Another $20 off. Man, I'm gonna have to use these. Oh, and there's a code. Maybe I'll give one away. So there you go. I ordered the matte finish, and that definitely looks like the matte finish of the dash. Like I said, we already have one on there covering the wood. Oh, it's super light. Oh my gosh. Like crazy light. I was not expecting that. And there you got your 3M automotive tape, like most of these products that you see these days. I am not a carbon fiber expert, but it looks fibrous on this side and, dare I say, carbony. Usually products like this will look plasticky, and this does not have that feel. Although, you know, what we do know about carbon fiber, it's supposed to be light. So I don't know if this is supposed to be glossy or matte. I don't know what, I'm pretty sure I asked for matte, although it's a little shiny. I'm not sure what they sent me. It doesn't really say. I don't think there's a packing slip telling me. Yeah, and they have generic cards here as well. This does not go with this particular one, but this product was custom made in Germany using 100% noble and natural wood. So they have a whole line of wood products for not only your dash, but also the center console. They look really good. Instead of like a wood-looking wrap or whatever, they look really nice, and hopefully they'll send me some in the future to review that as well. But we're going to throw this on. Maybe this is matte. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to check my emails. Pretty sure I asked for matte, so hopefully this is matte. But it does have a slight sheen to it, which is what matte should look like. But my first reaction is it's way lighter than I thought. So hopefully this overlays nicely. Actually, first of all, I hope the other one comes off. It's on there with this same stuff. And the nice thing about automotive, the 3M automotive tape, it is incredibly durable, incredibly sticky, does its job well for the most part. But at the same time, in my experience, I've taken things off of a car with that on there, and it's equally easy to get off, and doesn't seem to destroy stuff. So I will take the old one off, and I'll let you know if it destroys anything, and we'll go from there. But I've taken a spoiler off my Model 3 with this 3M stuff, and it didn't leave a mark, but yet it was on there pretty well. So, all right, there you go. From the Hills, hillsmade.com is where you're going to check this out. And let's get this on the car and see how it looks there, because that's another impression that you're going to want to see exactly how this looks on a Model Y in my case, but it should look the same on a Model 3. So there's the unboxing and first impressions of the real 100% carbon fiber dash overlay from the Hills, hillsmade.com.
How to install a Hills dashboard cover. Installation is very simple and takes approximately 10 minutes. We recommend there are 2 people for the installation to ensure that the cover is correctly centered. Before removing the protective film from the adhesive on the back of the product, make sure you like the look by placing the product on your existing dashboard. It also allows you to take a look at the sides of the dashboard to see how to center the product so that there is the same amount of space on the right and on the left side. The cover is deliberately a few millimeters wider in order to anticipate the dilation of the wood due to extremely hot or cold temperatures. Once you're happy with the look and have noted the spacing needed on both sides, clean the dashboard using alcohol wipes and dry the surface. Remove the protective tape from the main part. Take the cover in pairs. 2 people needed, each carrying one end of the product on the passenger side and driver's side. Position the cover over the dashboard. Once the alignment is good, gently place it on the dashboard. All you have to do is to press on the entire surface for about 30 seconds to ensure an installation that lasts over time. If you have any questions throughout the installation process, please reach out to support@hillsmade.com or use the live chat on hillsmade.com.
All right, walking up to my friend's Tesla Model 3. It's a 2019 model, and so check it out. We popped this carbon fiber dash on there. You can see the edging here. We'll show the driver's side as well. And you can see how much it transforms the entire look and feel of the car. This is the matte black carbon fiber from hillsmade.com, and this fits the Tesla Model Y and Tesla Model 3, and looking pretty good. It looks especially good on the white with the black interior. I'm sure the white interior would pop as well. But so it pops right onto the front, or onto the wood part of the dash, and just so easy to install. You just remove the red parts of the tape on the back there, kind of loosely place it, maybe have somebody help you on either side, and loosely place it on the dash before you actually lock it into place, and make sure everything is covered on the sides, on the back, on the front. And you can see here, looking down, it's got a pretty nice sheen to it, pretty nice look to it, and even on the sides, I mean, it covers everything really nice. We'll go check out the driver's side as well. So walking up on the driver's side, you can see there's a slight sheen to it from here, which is good, I think. I don't think it'll get in the way of any sun glares or anything like that, but check out how this is different than other dash covers, other wraps, other covers. You have this side part here, and it's not part of the main piece. You actually have to glue another part on or tape another part on to get that side part on, and it's really, really nice looking. So from this side, looks pretty good. Let's close the door, see how it meets it. So that's how it meets the door. So hillsmade.com, if you want to transform the look of the interior of your car, they of course have the middle console in carbon fiber as well for Gen 1 and Gen 2. So you can totally cover that area up to match with the carbon fiber. They've also got a bunch of different choices with wood to do both the dash and the center console there. So basically, think of it like renovating your kitchen or bathroom, only for your car. And let's be honest, you spend more time looking at the inside of the car than the outside of the car. So you should have it look the way you want it to look, right? So again, hillsmade.com, this is the carbon fiber matte finish dash cover, and go check them out. Seems like quality stuff, I like it, and they've got all kinds of things to mix and match and just totally change the look and feel of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y.
What we're doing right now is a carbon fiber dash cover for Model 3 or Y, and it has a value of $279. And it's from hillsmade.com, and thanks to YouTube channel Tesla Tips and Trips.
Woo!
There we go.
Oh.
So this thing is awesome. I didn't get a ticket. I want this, but that's okay. I'm not playing, I'm announcing. So hold on one second.
Who's gonna win it?
I don't know.
So this will replace, it'll clip into the wood dash, right? It clips right on.
Snaps right on, yep.
This goes clip, and you'll have carbon fiber instead of the wood, but the wood will still be under. So, very, very cool thing right now. Thank you for donating. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Okay, and the winner is James has the winning ticket. 5, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, why? Or what? There you go. That's awesome. Congratulations.
Enjoy. All right, there you have it. You had the unboxing. We showed you what it looked like on the car installed. This is the carbon fiber dash cover from hillsmade.com. We threw it on this Tesla Model 3 SR Plus from 2019. It doesn't have the door sides, but we put it on the dash anyway. Check out hillsmade.com. They make quality stuff. They've got all kinds of stuff to renovate the inside of your car, just like a kitchen or a bathroom. And you got wood choices, carbon fiber choices, color choices. They've got it all over there at hillsmade.com. So once again, thank you so much for joining us here on Tesla Tips and Trips. If you like what we're doing here on the channel, feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll catch you on the next video.